Video I am going to solve some question. The first question is cos A is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 2 upon 1 plus tan square by 8 A by 2, and the next sum is 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta is equal to tan theta by 2, and the next one is cos to the power 4 pi by 8 cos to the power 3 pi by 8 plus cos की power 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power 4 7 pi by 8 is equal to 3 by 2. And the next one is if cos alpha is equal to 5 cos beta minus 3 upon 5 minus 3 cos beta, then we have to prove that tan alpha by 2 is equal to plus minus 2 tan beta by 2. So have a glance. So in the first sum, if we take the right hand side, that is 1 minus tan square A by 2 upon 1 plus tan square A by 2. So here I am going to write, as we know, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So sin square A by 2 upon cos square A by 2. Similarly, in the denominator, 1 plus sin square A by 2 upon cos square A by 2. Now if you take the LCM, then cos square A by 2 is the LCM. So here in the numerator, cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2, and here cos square A by 2 plus sin square A by 2 upon cos square A by 2. Now these two cancelled out, and as we know, cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2, this is the formula of cos A, and cos square A by 2 plus sin square by 2 1, so that is cos A, and this is our left hand side. Now in the next sum, the left hand side is 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta, 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta. I told you one thing, whenever we are having 1 and cos theta, then you have to use that formula of cos theta by which 1 is cancelled out, whether it is positive or negative. I mean to say, here 1 plus sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and here cos theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Here 1 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and here 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Now you can see here 1 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 minus 1 plus 2 sin square theta by 2, 1 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 plus 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Now this one cancelled, and this one is also. Now if we see, then here 2 sin theta by 2 as a common, so in the bracket cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Now here in these two, 2 cos theta by 2 as a common, then cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Now cancel, this whole cancel, so tan sin theta by 2 cos tan theta by 2, here sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2, and that is tan theta by 2, and that is our right hand side. Now in the third question, the left hand side is cos to the power 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos to the power 4 5 by 8 plus cos to the power 4 7 by 8 pi by 8. Now how can we write? Here cos 4 pi by 8 plus cos 4 3 pi by 8 plus, here you have to watch, cos to the power 4, and this 5 pi by 8 can be written as pi minus 3 pi by 8. Have a look, 8 pi minus 3 pi, 5 pi by 8. Similarly, this can be written as pi minus pi by 8. So 8 pi minus pi, 7 pi by 8. Now here in the next line, again cos 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power 4 3 pi by 8 plus, now cos 180 minus theta, that is minus cos theta, but here is even part, so that will be a positive. So here we can write cos 4 3 pi by 8. Similarly, cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, but even part, so again cos to the power 4 pi by 8. Now if we see this and this, so we can write 2 cos 4 pi by 8 plus 2 cos 4 3 pi by 8. So if we see, if we multiply by 2 and divide by 2, so that is 4 cos to the power 4 pi by 8 plus 4 cos 4 3 pi by 8. Why I did it? So you can see 1 by 2, that can be written as 2 cos square pi by 8 whole square. Similarly, 2 cos 3 pi by 8 whole square. Now we know that 2 cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta. See here, if you are having the problem, as we know, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 2 cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta. So if we write like that, so here 1 by 2, in place of 2 cos square pi by 8, so there should be a 2. So what can we write? 1 plus cos 2 theta. Theta is pi by 8, so there will be a pi by 4 whole square. Similarly here 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8, that is 3 pi by 4 whole square. So 1 by 2, here 1 plus the value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 whole square plus here 1. Now cos 3 pi by 4, so pi is 180 by 4, that is 45, 3 is 135. So if we see, cos 135 can be written as cos 90 plus 45, and cos 90 plus theta, that is minus sin theta, so sin 45, and that is minus 1 by root 2. So here I will write 1 by root 2 whole square. So if we see, that is 1 by 2 a square plus b square minus plus 2ab, so 2 by root 2. Similarly here a square plus b square minus 2ab, so 2 by root 2. Now these two cancelled out, and if we see 1 by 2, so 1 1 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 1, so that is 1 1 2 1 3. So here is 3, so total answer is 3 by 2, and that is our right hand side. Now in the fourth sum, cos alpha is equal to 5 cos beta minus 3 and 5 minus 3 cos beta, and we have to prove tan alpha by 2 is equal to plus minus 2 tan beta by 2. So here have a look, here cos alpha, and we have to apply the formula. So 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Similarly here 5 cos beta, so 1 minus tan square beta by 2, and here 1 plus tan square beta by 2 minus 3, and here 5 minus 3, 1 minus tan square beta by 2 and 1 plus tan square beta by 2. Now again we write 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. And here if we open it, so that is 5 minus 5 tan square beta by 2 minus 3 tan square beta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square beta by 2. here 5 plus 5 tan square beta by 2 minus 3 plus 3 tan square beta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square beta by 2. So if you see, that can be cancelled out. So in the very next line, so now we can see 5 minus 3, that is 2, and 5 10 or minus 3, 5 3 8 tan square 8 beta by 2. Now 5 minus 3 2 plus 5 plus 3 8 tan square beta by 2. Now you can see, here is minus, here is plus, same thing is there. Here is minus, here is plus, same thing is there. So here by componendo and dividendo, by componendo and dividendo, we get what? So 1 is in numerator and tan square alpha by 2 in denominator. Now here 2 is numerator and 8 tan square beta by 2 in denominator. Now 2 4s are 8. So in the very next line, tan square alpha by 2 equals to 4 tan square beta by 2, and if we take root in right hand side, so plus minus 2 tan beta by 2, and this is what we need to prove. In this sum we have to find tan 22.5 degree. So if a equals to 45 degree, then naturally a by 2 equals to 22.5 degree. As we know that tan a is equal to 2 tan a by 2 upon 1 minus tan square a by 2. It means tan 45 equals to 2 tan 22.5, that is half of 45 degree, and 1 minus tan square 22.5. As we know that the value of tan 45 degree is 1. So 1 equals to 2 tan 22 whole 1 by 2, 1 minus tan square 22.5. So by cross multiplication, 1 minus tan square 22.5 is equal to 2 tan 22.5. Here is minus, so other side of equals to plus. This is also plus. Here plus 1, other side of equal to minus 1, that is equals to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation in tangent form. So here if we apply this Sridharacharya method, so a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to minus 1. So tan 22.5 degree equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, that is the Sridharacharya formula. So the value of b is 2 plus minus 4 minus 4a, the value of a is 1 and c is minus 1. So minus minus plus 4 1 ja 4, so 4 plus 4 8, that is under root 8. So minus 2 plus minus under root 8 by 2. Under root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. We can take 2 common. So minus 1 plus minus root 2 by 2. 2 cancelled out. Now we are having two values. First one is minus 1 plus root 2. And second one is minus 1 minus root 2. As we know that 22.5 degree is an acute. And 10, when we take any acute angle in 10, that will always positive. So here tan 22.5 equals to minus 1 plus root 2. That can be written as under root 2 minus 1. So tan 22.5, the value of tan 22.5 degree will be root 2 minus 1.